Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in. So in today's video guys, I'm washing my carpet. This is how I deep clean my carpet. I use a carpet shampoo. If I don't have a carpet shampoo, it's either I use a sunlight liquid or I use washing powder. Yeah, so I did have a carpet shampoo that you can actually get it at Westpac. Yeah, Westpac and some other cleaning shops you can get that, but I think in general Westpac you can get it. But I got it from my neighbor. She sells cleaning stuff. Yeah, I like the fact that it forms a lot of foam. Like when I see foam, then I see what I'm doing. But if I can't see foam and I'm washing the carpet, it's like, what am I doing? Yeah, anyway, guys, I hope you will get motivation by watching this video. Yeah, I'm just going to mix water with the carpet shampoo, put water on top of the carpet and start scrubbing really. And scrub. After that, when I'm done, when I was turning the carpet, actually, I turn it because I wanted to start where it's really dirty. You see, when you're starting washing the carpet, you have more energy. As you go on, you get more tired and your hands get more tired. So I want to firstly just tackle the places where I know it's dirty and it's need. I must really scrub harder. So that's what I was doing. The downside, it's more cleaner. It usually sits let me see. Oh, it usually sits under the because this is from my room. It sits under the side table, so hence that's why it's clean. So I will scrub it, finish, then I rinse it. Yeah, I rinse it while it's sitting here on the floor. But sometimes if I had someone to help me, like at this time when I was washing it, I didn't have anyone to help me to pick it up. Not that I couldn't pick it up. This carpet is not that heavy, but just I think about my health in other things, like I do suffer from chest, even just hanging the curtain. It's a big job for me. I do get like weak just for doing that. Yeah, I do have chest problems, so I didn't want to add extra problems to my health. So I waited for my husband to come back later, then we move it from here because it won't really get dry sitting down there. It will take more longer time, so you need to hang it where it can just drip off the water. So I move it to the bench, then I rinse it nicely because when it's sitting down here, you don't really, it's not rinsed as I want it to be. So hence, yeah, definitely, I do regret buying this carpet just because of the color. Like right now, I'm washing it, and in between me doing a proper thorough cleaning of it, like I'm washing it outside, I do maybe have to clean it maybe 2 to 3 times a month. If I just decide to ignore that it's dirty, then I do it once a month, but still you can feel it. Yeah, with the kids, and sometimes you tell the kids, okay, my small one, I don't know how he's able to follow things. When you say you don't take your shoes on the carpet, he don't go over with his shoes on the carpet. My big daughter, like, it's been a struggle. Like I've like left it. I've like left it to tell you guys. I remind her always, please take out your shoes. Don't come with your shoes on top of the carpet. Anyway, guys, so this was the following day. We had breakfast. My husband makes for us breakfast almost every Sunday if he's not going anywhere or if he's not rushing to go to something by his business. Yeah, so he makes for us breakfast. Yeah, on this day we were just tired. We woke up late, so I just made something simple. Usually on Sundays he will make for us pratas, makes for us chanas, like his traditional food, and he's the best cook, I must say. Guys, I'm about to clean my shower. I also just wanted to show you what I'm using, guys, because I will hardly show you these kind of things. Oh my god, if you are looking for a body wash, try this. It smells amazing. Yeah, anyway, I'm just taking you guys along to clean. The places are dirty, like everything is just a mess, I must say. I'll just show you a hint. I actually wanted to paint here, but I'm not feeling well. My husband did paint, but then he just used the, is it water paint? Yeah. So I want to use the oil paint because this place is very small. So hence that's why it will always tend to this mold. Yeah, but I know with oil paint it won't, this won't happen. Yeah, so I'm going to do this in the future. When I have enough energy to paint, then I'll paint with you guys. But for now, just quickly just cleaning this place. Okay guys, I think this is about far I'm going to show you guys. It's not comfortable here, so it's not safe at all. This can slip anytime, so I need to be careful. Yeah, this is where it's ending, me showing you. Actually today I'm just going to be folding with you guys, so hence, yeah, this is where we're ending with the cleaning the shower. Yeah guys, this is the laundry I have this week. It's more of my daughter's things. I think telling her to keep up with her, she's actually struggling to keep up with her laundry, let me just say that. But Mama is still here, she still have a mother in this world, so somehow sometimes I think she takes advantage of that, and I let her, because life is too short. One day I won't be here, and she must know that when my mother was here, my mother was doing this for me. So now and then I do iron her laundry, and sometimes she just comes up with these stories that she's sick even if she's not sick. And now when she's really sick, she thinks I don't believe that she's sick, because she's the one who started with all this acting sometimes, especially when it comes to work, guys. Yo, my daughter, I shame. So this is her laundry that I will do. I finished already as I'm doing this voiceover. I had, yeah, and these are socks. These are towel. This one I'll show you in the next video, guys. I won't show you in this video. Towels and bedding, and here is just my son's things that I'm going to be ironing. Yeah, majority of it I did iron. Like this week I ironed about 90% of the things. This is the only thing that I had to fold, and my daughter's things, I think about 40% I folded. Yeah, the rest, guys, I ironed. So this week what I realized is that for the first time, I don't so much hate ironing. I just hate standing doing my ironing. So that's why I said this week I learned something, because I was sitting down. I decided, you know what, my feet was I was not fine, actually. Like, I was not fine. That's the difficult part about being a mother. Even if I'm not fine, I still need to stand up and make things like the show must go on. You know what, the show must go on. So yeah, so I was just making sure that I reduced the work in this house. Already it was just too much, but it's only my daughter's things that were more than a week. Like, I think 2 weeks her laundry has been like that, but for all of us it's still 1 week laundry, because I do keep up with her laundry, but because I have given her a responsibility to take care of her laundry, just teaching her just to take care and be able to know to manage her things, in generally, as she's growing up. Yeah, but with the studying, because she goes to madrasa, goes to school, she have days where she does her sports. Yeah, so sometimes she doesn't have enough time, but during the weekend she does help a lot. Like on weekends she's in charge of the kitchen. The only part we haven't added is cooking, because on weekends we hardly cook. On Saturday there's usually food for leftover from Friday, and then Sunday is usually takeaways. So she just, now I need to like put more effort in making her cook. I think for her age, she's supposed to be starting already to cook at least once a week. She must be cooking something for us. Then by the time she's old, then she's perfect in the kitchen. And the thing about her is, I like, people who know me in my family, they know me as I'm good in the kitchen. I cook and all that, like all the woman things, like womanly things I do nicely, like taking care of my house and all that. So unfortunately she's also automatically expected to know those things, while it doesn't necessarily mean that she likes doing all those things. So now I've decided I'm gonna involve her, as much as she don't like standing long hours like me. Not that I like, but I like things done. So she don't like standing long hours doing things like me, but unfortunately she needs to learn to do things. She needs to know how to cook. She knows how to cook some few things and bake some few things also, but I feel like for her age at this time she needs to know more. I mean, she's actually lucky that she's got a mother who knows her way around the kitchen, and also sewing. Just a lot of things that I usually do. Like, I don't want, when she's old, she's gonna be like, my mother didn't teach me that. And the reason sometimes I really don't involve her is that I need things done perfectly, and I need things done my way, which is sometimes can be selfish, because now she doesn't get time to learn all those things. She needs to know everything that I do. Now I'm folding my daughter's things. I didn't show you guys. I did her uniform. I ironed her uniform. I ironed her abayas, the dresses. If you guys don't know, abayas is the long dresses we wear. It can be any color, but its majority of them are black. We usually wear whether we're going to the mosque, mosque, or any religious function or whatever. In my house, we don't wear abayas always. I'm not a really abaya person. I just feel like it just makes me look old. Yeah, I do try to wear modest, but not every time abaya. That's just not my thing. Yeah. Hence my daughter, she has also followed to that. She like hoodies. She love hoodies. Okay guys, this is day 2, but I am still wearing the same outfit. So I'm just going to iron these dresses and shirts with you guys. We'll just speed it up and iron. But for now, I quickly just want to move this candle. When it's load shedding, it's her job to light the candles in the house. So I always find these candle things Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take flour and try so the flour can just suck in the oil. So guys, I have never done it like this, but always when I'm in the kitchen cooking and I somehow put oil on my clothes, this is what I do usually for oil stains. You can feel it does suck in the oil. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, obviously the results you guys will see on the next video. So this needs to be washed again. These are actually home things. Maybe someone will ask, why just you don't move it like this? It's not as easy as you would think, you know. It's really stuck on the cloth. Because even with washing, this was done I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. So we've washed this maybe 2 times already and it's still not coming out. You see how much oil? Oh my god. But because this is black, the stain is not really visible. Okay, put again the flour just to suck in the oil, and then I will leave it, and whenever I'm washing, then I will wash it with. This is my kitchen hack that has worked for me. I'm not sure if I saw it somewhere or it's just something that I started to do. I don't want to lie. I'm not sure because I've been doing it for such a long time. So this week I ironed so many dresses, guys. Abayas, my dresses, the new dresses that I got from Shein. Yeah, guys, I will do a video soon of Shein things and my experience overall. It's just that I was thinking maybe I must wait for the things. There's things that are coming. There's a relative of ours that is coming back from Pakistan, so I know he's bringing things for us. So I just wanted to do, like a try on haul for you guys, like just something new, just something different from this channel. It's not a fashion channel, but yeah, something new. So yeah, I wanted to make it in one video. I'll see. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure, but I was just thinking I can make it in one video. Yeah, guys, I own so many things, but my phone doesn't have enough space, so I decided just to stop recording what I was doing, just only show you guys two dresses that I did. But at the end, I'll show you guys that I ironed so many dresses. I ironed many things this week, like so much. I haven't done so much ironing in such a long time, but I must say I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it while sitting down watching Kelly Khumalo. I think I finished all the episode of Kelly Khumalo. I really did enjoy watching what is it, reality show, and I do think she's not guilty. Like I'm so convinced that, you know what, people are saying this and that. I'm so convinced she's not guilty. She's not guilty at all. I don't think anyone would want to kill the father of their child. Shame, man. She's just a lovely woman. Like, I don't know, maybe because she's a Scorpio, and I like so relate to Scorpios. Like, they are just straight up front. Like, no pretend, not trying to sugarcoat anything. Love it. I love her so much. I love Kelly Khumalo, really. I just fell in love more when I watch a reality show. Yeah, I like people who are straight. I don't like people who try to be nice, because at the end of the day, I've noticed that the people that come across as if they are nice, they are so sweet, those are the ones that are actually not nice. Yeah. Anyway, only God knows our hearts, guys. Let's just be honest. It's nice sometimes to be nice to people, but I don't think you must be fake. Majority of people are just fake, plain and simple. I don't like that. That's not me. I'm straight, guys. What you see is what you get. Unfortunately, you can't see my face, but what I say here and everything that I say, I talk about, it's just me. It's what you get. No pretense, no trying to sugarcoat anything, man. For what? Why are we trying to sugarcoat things? What if it's like that? If it's blue, it's blue. Yeah, guys, these are the dresses now. It's not even, I don't know, it's not even showing justice to how many dresses are ironed. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to watch this video. I will see you guys on my next upload. The last clip will be me just dusting off the carpet and putting back in the house. It was dry after the following day, but I actually brought it inside the house after 2 days. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.